Hi, welcome to the section of Python. In this section, we'll discuss on high level of what is Python and what are the different types of data types that are available in Python and how to write a sample code in Python. So, Python is a high level programming language which is almost similar to Perl. Yeah, but with the powerful typing and object oriented features which are more robust than Perl. Yeah, and it's mostly used for HTML content, while developing your websites. Yeah, and it has lot of built-in types like lists, directories, and we have something called tuples, map, everything. And it has a very clean syntax and very powerful extensions. Yeah, Python it can be mostly used when you wanted to generate some reports for your downstream. Okay, because we can apply our regular expressions to we have very powerful regular expressions available in Python. And what is this Python basically? It is very easily, you can easily adapt to Python, and it has an interpreter. Okay, and it has a built-in types like strings, lists, and tuples. Okay, and map, everything. Okay, it's almost similar to Perl or CPP. Okay, and it has a strong numerical processing, numerical processing like mathematical calculations. Yeah, and suitable for portability and machine learning code. When you wanted to write some machine learning codes, Python is the best fit. Yeah, so these are the basic data types that are available in Java in Python. One is integer, float, and string. Yeah, so when you declare something called int to any variable, then you can have values that are of integer data type. Similarly, you can declare it for float and string as well. Other data types available in Python are list, yeah, map, and dictionary, as well as tuple. This is a sample code which explains about Python. See here, I have declared x equal to 34 minus 23, y equal to hello, z equal to 3.45. So, while writing your code in Python, you don't need to use some braces. Rather, you would use something called indentation. For every block, you got to follow an uniform indentation. See here, in if loop block, I'd never used my open and closing curly braces to say that this is a particular if loop. Rather, I had followed an uniform indentation for this entire block of if loop. See here, x equal to x plus 1 and y equal to y plus world. I've used this string operations, but I have followed an uniform indentation for x and y. Yeah, this is how you write your if loop. If your condition, then colon, and then you follow an uniform indentation. When you bifurcate your indentation, then Python understands that okay, that's the end of your if loop, and it starts executing out of your if loop. Okay, because we are not using any open and closing braces. So indentation is is something which is very important for Python. This is to avoid the confusion while we are creating open and curly braces. And we can write our MapReduce code in Hadoop using Python. We have something called streaming, a jar file which is available, which converts your Python code into Java bytecode. Of course, we are gonna see in detail in our MapReduce section how do we write our MapReduce code in Python. But the most important thing we got to remember in Python is we never give open and closing braces to specify a loop. Rather, we provide some indentation. Okay, so we write our mapper code and reducer code for MapReduce coding, and you don't need any driver code for writing our MapReduce code in Python. Of course, we have some ecosystem components of Hadoop like Hive and Pig, where all the required functionalities may not be available. So in order to have our business requirement, we'll write our UDFs, user defined functions, in Python. Of course, we can write our UDFs in Java as well, but Python is the most preferred programming language in order to write the UDFs. Hope you had enjoyed watching this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye.